Where'd my hair tie go? Oh no. Oh no. Well, I guess I'm doing it like this. I'm doing it like this now. Welcome back. It's been a month. It's been a month since we got the Gengar onesie. And another Kigu has arrived from our beautiful, very, very beautiful, handsome sponsor, KIGURUMI. Let's can't wait to bust this baby open. That winded me. That took the wind out of me. That took all of my energy. Onesies. That is what we're here for. We are here for the onesie. Thank you again, KIGURUMI, a beautiful, sexy sponsor, for another month of onesie goodness. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's in store. They gave me a hint. They said it is, quote unquote, fierce. What is this? It's a crow! Oh my god. Every day, crows are getting smarter. Oh my, yes, yes. So spook, so scary, so month of spookiness. It's a freaking crow. It's a crow. Look, yo, its gizzard comes off. What? Oh, wow. What? Okay, so here's the head. Here's the head. Crow head, okay? Crow head goes on my head. There's a little different texture here. A little bit of a different texture for the gizzard. I think. It's like breastplate feathers. It's got little snappies. So it's like a crow bib. Or a crib. If you will. Crow head, crow gizzard. And that's all fine and dandy. Then you get to crow mittens. This Kigu has mittens for your fingies. And the arm span is wings. Spooky crow onesie, bruh. Does it have a tail? Please let it have a tail. Is there a tail? Show me tail. It's got a tail. Look at this. Look at this. It's got a tail. It's so beautiful. Such spook. Such spectacular spook. I can't wait to put this on. I'm not gonna wait to put this on. Let's go. Let's go. A whole lot of this is gonna be cut in post-production. I gave blood yesterday. Mitten for your fingies. Getting gross. I am the night. I am the eyes of Odin. I am the crows. Wait, Odin has ravens, doesn't he? Right? Odin has black birds that are like his familiar. So, I think that's pretty cool. Button up the Kigu. Button up the Kigu. gizzard. A little extra scandalous it is. Where's the Snappies? There's the Snappies. They're on the shoulder. Okay. Vavavoo. Crow. Just so soft. So soft. So soft. Put my hands in mittens. Crow. Crow, 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 crow. Crow, 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 crow. Crow pig. I love it. I was not expecting crow, but wow. Crow bud. Feels majestic, feel mysterious. It's just a crow. There's gonna be a giveaway, a KIGU giveaway on my Instagram. I'm gonna post a selfie, a picture in this onesie. Maybe post a picture in this onesie, and there's gonna be a pun contest, a joke contest, and then you gotta submit a joke, or you can vote for your favorite joke in the comments by liking it, and then after time's up, KIGURUMI will contact you and get you set up with a free onesie, courtesy of KIGURUMI. Thank you for this. Wow, I'm really winded. Anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me right now. On to the next month, more KIGURUMI. I am a crow. Do I have a sign off? No, I'm just gonna make crow noises at you until you leave.